Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Tech Coders, and today we are going to solve problem number 1878C of Codeforces round 900 division 3, that is Vasilije in Cacak. Okay, so now let's try to understand what exactly question is stating to us. Question states that Vasilije is given three positive integers, that is n, k and x, and he has to determine if he can choose k distinct integers between 1 and n such that their sum is equals to x. Okay, so this line is important for us to understand, and rest of these lines are just for the sake of creating a question. Okay, so now let's understand what exactly question is stating to us with the help of this example, that is 5, 3 and 10. Okay, so now see, we are going to take example of 5, 3 and 10. This is my n, this is my k, and this is my x. Okay, so what can be the possible values of n? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. According to question, I should try to find three different values such that their sum is equals to 10. So now after seeing this example, I can say that if I take 5, 4 and 1, my sum will be equal to x, that is 10 over here, and hence my answer will be yes in this case. Okay, so this is what exactly we are supposed to perform in this question. Now the question comes, what should be a logic to do or to achieve this conclusion? Okay, so now try to get my point. Okay, I'm saying that at first I'll find the sum of three minimum elements, and then I'll find the sum of three maximum elements, and after finding the sum, I can say that all the possible values by adding three elements will lie between this range. Will lie between this range. Okay, so let's try to find the value of three minimum elements. Okay, so rather than going one by one, we know the formula, that is the sum of n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, n into n plus 1 by 2. As I have to find the values for first three elements. Okay, why 3? Because k is over here. As I have to find the minimum sum of k elements, so it is gonna be like this, that is k into k plus 1 by 2. What is k over here? It is 3, so 3 into 4 by 2. It will give me my answer as 6. Okay, so this is my minimum answer. Okay, now the question arises, how can I find the sum of these three maximum elements? Okay, so now try to get my point. As I have to find the sum of these three elements, so can I say that I'll find the sum of entire numbers, that is this, and after finding this sum, I'll simply subtract this. So after subtracting, I'll be having sum of these three numbers. Okay, so now see, what is this? It is n, it is k, that is k maximum elements. So what will be size of this part, this sub array? It is gonna be n minus k. Okay, so what will be the formula for finding the sum of k maximum elements? It is gonna be like this, that is n into n plus 1 by 2 minus, what was its sum, what was its length, that is n minus k into n minus k plus 1 by 2. Okay, so if you perform the sum, then I can see that, so what will be value? That is 5 into 6, that is 30 by 2 is 15, minus n minus k. N minus k is minus n minus k, that is 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 into 3 by 2, it is gonna be 3, so my sum is 12. Now I can say that the only possible sum after adding three elements will lie between 6 and 12. Okay, why I'm saying this? Let's try to understand. What will my range? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and either of the sides there will be some values like 4, 5 and 13, 14. Now I'm saying that try to find three values such that their sum is equals to 5. So I can see that, yeah, there are no such possible values, because if I'll try to add 1 or 2 or 3, then it's going to give me a sum as 6. Okay, so I can't find three elements such that their sum is equals to 5, and same goes for 4 also. Okay, now I'm saying that try to find three elements such that their sum is 13. Even if I'll choose the three maximum values, that is 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3 is 12, I'm seeing that I'm not getting these values. So that's why I said that the sum of k elements should lie in this range. Okay, so now what should be my condition to check whether it is gonna be yes or it is gonna be no? Okay, simple. If my x is lying between this range, if my x is lying between this range, then at that time I can say my answer is gonna be yes, or else it's gonna be no. Okay, because see, if my x is pointing to 4 for these two values of n and k, I'm very sure that, yeah, I'm not having any three values such that their sum is equals to 4. Same goes for 13, 14 or 15, like that. Okay, so yeah, this was the solution. Now let's move to the coding part. So see, this is our code. Okay, at that time we were having three variables which was given in the equation, that is n, k and x. So we are taking its input. Okay, now over here I'm finding the minimum sum, that is k into k plus 1 by 2. After that I'm finding the total sum, and then what we were doing for finding the maximum sum, I was subtracting my total sum minus the remaining the sub part. So this is what we are doing over here. Now after finding the minimum sum and the maximum sum, we are checking for x, that is if x is greater than or less than minimum sum and x is less than or equal to maximum sum. At that time I was simply printing out yes or else no. Okay, so this was the solution, guys. I hope you understood all the logic and the concepts over here. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a good day.